Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 Biology MCQs Quick Revision Part 6. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear viewers, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Which of the following proteins is present in hair and nails? Option A keratin, B insulin, C glucagon, and option D collagen. So the correct option is A keratin. Explanation is keratin is the structural fibrous proteins that makes up hair and nails. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Contractile proteins used in muscle contraction are called option A collagen, B immunoglobulin, C elastin, and option D actin and myosin. So the correct option is D actin and myosin. These two proteins interact to enable muscle contraction. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. More than half of the protein of liver and intestinal mucosa is broken down and resynthesized. Option A 10 days, B 12 days, C 15 days, and option D 18 days. So the correct option is 10 days. These tissues have a rapid protein turnover with half renewed every 10 days. The symptoms of ammonia intoxication include option A blurring of vision, C constipation, C mental confusion, and option D diarrhea. So the correct option is C mental confusion. Explanation is hyperammonia primarily effect is on CNS, central nervous system, causing confusion and coma. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Ammonia intoxication symptoms occur when brain ammonia levels are option A slightly diminished, B highly diminished, C increased, and option D all of these. So the correct option is C increased. Explanation is symptoms manifest when ammonia crosses the blood-brain barrier. What is the normal daily output of urea through urine in grams? Option A 10 to 20, B 15 to 25, C 20 to 30, and option D 25 to 35. So the correct option is C 20 to 30. Explanation is healthy adults excrete 20 to 30 gram of urea daily as nitrogenous waste. Protein present in hemoglobin has the structure known as option A primary, B secondary, C tertiary, and option D quaternary. So the correct option is D quaternary. Explanation is hemoglobin has 4 subunits, 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain, showing quaternary structure. Isoelectric pH of an amino acid is that pH at which it has option A positive charge, B. Negative charge. C. Nil net charge. And option D. None of these. So the correct option is C. Nil net charge. At pH, positive and negative charge balance to 0. Optical isomers of all amino acids exist except option A. Glycine, B. Arginine, C. Alanine, and option D. Hydroxyproline. So the correct option is A. Glycine. Glycine is achiral due to its symmetric structure. By overheating, the nutritional value of cereal protein is option A. Increased, B. Decreased, option C. Unchanged, and option D. None of these. So the correct option is B. Decreased. Excessive heat can destroy essential amino acids like lysine, reducing protein quality. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. In glycoproteins, the carbohydrate is in the form of disaccharide units. The number of units is dash. Option A 50 to 100, B 200 to 300, C 400 to 500, and option D 600 to 700. So the correct option is A 50 to 100. Explanation is glycoproteins typically contain 50 to 100 disaccharide units attached to the protein core. Proteins that constitute keratin, collagen, and elastin in the body are option A. Protamine, B. Phosphoprotein, C. Scleroprotein, and option D. Metalloprotein, metaproteins. So the correct option is C. Scleroprotein. These are fibrous structural protein, scleroproteins. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Side chains of all of the following amino acids contain aromatic ring except option A. Phenylalanine, B. Alanine, C. Tyrosine, and option D. Tryptophan. So the correct option is B. Alanine. Alanine has a simple methyl group side chain. The abnormal chain of amino acids in sickle cell anemia is option A. Alpha chain, B. Beta chain, C. Delta chain, and option D. Gamma chain. So the correct option is B. Beta chain. Explanation is the mutation occurs in hemoglobin's beta globin chain. Thank you for watching my videos.